Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CB500X. This is a lightweight twin-cylinder 500 adventure-style motorcycle. Great for commuting, great starter bike. Nice, beautiful smoke touring windscreen on it. And a great sounding Musari exhaust system. Wait till you hear that. 2 brand new tires on this gorgeous bike. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This gorgeous Honda CB500X for just $43.99. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Wow. Sounds good. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.